My push is that we are getting like maybe $4 billion of remittance. My position is that we should be able to move from 400 billion Kenya shillings to at least $1 trillion. And I have told Mutua and Roslyn that they must work towards that. And we must support you to do what you're doing from wherever. We should be able to serve you better. We must make government services available online. We must also make it possible for you to acquire documents, whether they are birth certificates, whether they are identity cards, or even passports, much more easily. And that's why I think Roslyn was talking about mobile consular services. And then progressively, we should be able to make it easier for you to access these services online. I am very happy. We have already consulted with the Attorney General, and I think he's given his concurrence. Is that okay, Justin? Yeah. The Attorney General has given concurrence that he is going to gazette our embassies as a place you can go and get married. But the law in Kenya will continue to apply. You can only get married if you are a man to a woman. And if you are a woman, only to a man. That shall continue to apply. It doesn't matter where you are.